mix them all together. You can smell the burning plastic.
There's where that crack was, where the leak was coming through the power steering line.
Yeah.
See, there was a real fine crack right there, and we've seen it coming around that hose.
Yeah. Yeah, because the power steering, this is upwards of like what?
This is the return side, so it's not that critical.
Okay.
The pressure side, we wouldn't be able to do this. We'd have to replace it.
Yeah. So do you have a YouTube channel and a TikTok, or just TikTok?
The YouTube channel as well. It's the one I was talking to you about this morning.
So what's his nickname? What's the other guy's nickname? You're Dumpling, you have Biscuit.
Oh, I just called myself Dumpling. That was something I made up. No, we don't.
What?
Look how tight that is now, too.
Yeah, it doesn't flex. Yeah.
It's not doing anything.
Yeah, it doesn't flex. Is that the seam, or is that another like kind of crack at the base? You see what I'm talking about?
That's where they put a molding on it.
Oh, okay. Or is that the epoxy?
Yeah, this is a universal epoxy that you can kind of put with anything. It's good for metal, plastic. It's kind of heavy duty stuff.
Fucking bad.
That's the pump for the oil drain.
Oh, okay.
Alright, here's what I got. Got this back in on this side. Got my flow filter in. Flow goes this way. This is the nipple that was cracked and was broke off when I pulled the rest of the line off all the way. And then it goes into the actual gear head over here. Instead of ordering a $95 line, I just said, look, give me an hour and I have the parts to do it. Just give me an hour of labor, I'll fix it. Okay. Because it would have been a couple hours, because this line goes through here, goes all the way up to the front, an hour and a half. So it's just cheaper for me to fix the line. So that's what I did. Just repair the part right here that's broken, because they don't make that no more. We had got the whole line just to replace it, because it's updated in that filter's not in there anymore. It's considered a trans filter, and then the new updated line shows it doesn't have that. All right, the fluid filled back up in there. Gonna wipe everything off here. Start it up, go check for leaks. And go cycle the steering wheel back and forth a little bit. Turn the pump all the way out, lock it out to the lock so it full fills itself. Just put it up in the air and look. We're good. Fluid is full. There you go. Now you know. Perfectly working. No issues. Fixed. No more leak. The reason I did that is because it's an obsolete part, and it's cheaper for me to repair it than it is to order the part, put it in with no filter, because they don't make the filter for it anymore in the new line that's updated, and just do it right here in-house for an hour. You know, the hose was like 11 bucks, and then the labor was $155. If it would have been for me replacing that line, it would have been $155 for labor, $90 for the line, and then an hour and a half worth of work. 2 hours depending on what ALLDATA calls for to replace that line. I charge them 1 hour flat and just $11 for the hose, and done. Fix the problem, no more leak. Y'all be blessed.